this is probably a bit aggressive.
Somebody killed Kenny!
Hi guys, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. Okay, I'm really excited because today we are doing a Max Mara unboxing. And this is my legitimate first Max Mara coat that I have ever bought. So if you are familiar with Max Mara, it is a timeless, classic, very high-end coat. You see it on a lot of celebrities. They're known for their impeccable tailoring, for their out-of-this-world luxurious textiles, and it's usually very expensive. Now, I live in Southern California. I rarely get an opportunity to wear coats here, but for when we travel, I've always had my standby black cashmere Burberry coat that I've literally had for 12 years. It's seen better days. I recently gave it away and decided to invest in another coat, and this is the Max Mara that I bought right after Christmas. And as always, I give you my legitimate feedback, just like you were my friend, because you are. Okay, so let's unbox it and let's see what this is about and if it's worth it, right? Okay guys, the lighting is way better in the master bathroom, so bear with me. I wanna show you the coat. Let's open this Max Mara coat. I ordered this directly from the Max Mara factory. It did take quite a bit of time to get here. It took about 3.5 weeks, FYI. So hopefully it's going to be worth it. I usually don't open stuff in my bathroom. Nice little card. Max Mara branded box. Awkward. It's like they fit this box directly into the cardboard box, so it's a little awkward. It's a nice, heavy, thick box. Magnetic tab opening. Here it is. Yep, so here it is. I ordered a hood, long jacket. I'm gonna try it on for you in a minute. I will tell you that when I was on the Max Mara site, and it allows you to input your height, weight, and your measurements, it spit me out as being a size 2, which honestly I've never been. I've always been a 00. So I went with my gut and I ordered the smallest size. So let's hope that we're okay with this. The fabric feels really nice, a combination of alpaca and wool. So let's try it on. Okay, now the one thing that I don't like is that they have it sewn together. And, okay, I hate it when they do this. Okay, let's try this on. I hope it fits. Okay, let me turn you around. I'm going to show you the full length. Okay, yeah, so I have to tell you, the 0 does fit. I think I definitely could have done the 00. The size 2 would have been way too big. So for references only, I'm 5'2", 101 pounds, 35, 24, 32. So I'm pretty petite. I was concerned that this was going to look really overwhelming on me, and it kind of does. I think I will probably have it tailored just a little. It does come with a belt. So I would probably tie it like this. It's got slip pockets on the side, so the pockets aren't overwhelming. It also just has a flat, clean lapel. The fabric and the feel is just really luxurious. It's beautiful. It's got a hood on the back. I doubt that I'll do this.
Somebody killed Kenny!
If you get the South Park reference, you get 2 points. I don't know, what do you guys think? Overall, I love the jacket, I love the styling, the quality, the tailoring of it, and certainly if you're taller than I am, it'll probably look beautiful on you. All right, this might be a bit much here. Okay, this is probably a bit aggressive. Okay, you guys, this is better. I feel like we can talk better in here. Okay, so the thing about buying a coat like this, I won't spend money just because I can. I mean, it's got to be, in my mind, a value. I didn't buy it just because it's a name brand coat. I bought it because of the reputation of quality and tailoring and fabric, knowing that if I was disappointed, I could return it, and I absolutely would have. But the thing about buying a good quality coat like this is that you will have it for a long time. And the number of times that you get a wear out of it and feel like $1,000,000, in my opinion, is worth its weight in gold. Before I bought this, I had a black cashmere Burberry. It didn't have any of the Burberry branding on it because I don't like that. I wore it for, I want to say 12 or 15 years, honestly. And every time I put it on, it looked like $1,000,000. I got so many compliments on it. But you know what? Everything wears out at a certain point, and it had seen better days. I have no problem investing in a good quality product. So heads up, just a few tips because I just went through the buying process for this. You can find Max Mara at pretty much any high-end retail store. Neiman Marcus, Summit, Nordstrom, Forward, Farfetch, Revolve. You can buy it directly from the Max Mara factory. The only downside of that is that it took a really long time for it to get here, but I did it because I found it on sale. The other thing, you guys, if you've never purchased internationally, honestly, if you need to return it, it's sort of a pain in the ass. I'm just telling you. Because you have all of these different forms that have to be included because you're sending it through customs, it's just kind of a pain in the ass. So if you can get it from within the United States, I would highly recommend that instead. I felt that their sizing recommendations were off, so go with your regular size. Like I told you before, when I put my sizing information into the Max Mara Find Your Size, it spit out a size 2, and I'm usually a 00. If you are an actual 00, some of the sites that you'll go on will only offer down to a size 0, FYI. But Max Mara does go down to a 00. You just need to look for it. In the end, I'm happy with my purchase, and if I wasn't, I certainly would have told you so. You know I will. And since I'm very happy with the Max Mara brand, I do believe I'm going to go back and get the black Manuela, and I will show you what that looks like on once I get it. If you have any questions, if you have any feedback, there are never any judgy eyes on my channel. Just comment down below in the comments section. And for all things wellness, style, fitness, beauty, and healthy living, subscribe to my channel or visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog. Have a good evening, y'all.